Jason's uncle and grandma. It's a cool 88 degrees today, and we'll be driving along the Columbia River, so stay tuned. Woohoo!
So we're in Pendleton having lunch now. We just did a sweet 200. He's brought his knife just in case we run into any sort of trouble.
Watch out, Bron. I'm in a bad mood.
My
car's been impounded back in Seattle.
He's just going for it. Just getting it done. So where are we going for lunch?
Great Pacific.
Great Pacific. It's nice and warm here. So we popped inside, ordered a pizza, and grabbed a few delicious drinks. This Rogue Combat Wombat is delicious. Due to the current state of our nation, there was no drinking or eating allowed inside, so we decided to wait outside. This worked out perfectly because Craig needed to be on the phone to find his car, and it allowed me a little extra time to film. Wait, what's this? Pizza's here. Is it a salad?
The salad on the pizza.
We're eating on the streets. I don't know if we can take much more of this. Oh. Might have to go work at that hotel over there.
Working girls hotel.
Might be my new job.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm just about to drive now.
Where are we? Oh, I was looking at this house like a mile. Okay, this is a good show. Sweet. Horse Thief Butte. Here we are.
Of course. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced butt.
We call it Butte, not butt.
It's so windy out here. Oh dear God. Us and Mother Nature just... We've been battling Mother Nature for a few weeks. Woo. High winds! High winds! So we made it to the Columbia River. We're on to the beach. We're gonna go swimming. Craig looks upset, but he wasn't. But after being on the phone for a few hours trying to get his car out of impound, a dip was well needed.
Straight in.
Yep, I knew that was coming. 1, 2, 3. We're here, we made it. We made it to Grandma's house. Through the fields and over the trees.
The next day.
Well, we got into my uncle's house at 8 o'clock last night and hung out. It's a nice place to hang out if you're lucky enough to actually hang out here. Maybe I'll show you around on the inside a little bit, maybe, but maybe not. This place is pretty cool. It's its own little museum. So here's a couple photos of cool stuff that my uncle has in his house and the things that we did today. And we should be heading home to Seattle tonight. So it's been a long trip. My uncle took Mary and Craig on a tour around the property in what he likes to call the chicken feeder, while I walked in the garden with Grandma. Before we left, we had to go swing on the swing set.
Oh, it's gonna
Oh, interesting.
And I bought the highest swing set I could find. I had to search the whole
So high.
I had to search the whole country to find this.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
it's massive.
Finally came out of Missouri.
Missouri.
Yeah, Missouri.
The world's biggest swing.
And you know, it didn't come like this. It was just bare poles. We had to assemble that. Ben did yeoman work. But yeah, that's like, you know, 14 feet up in the air.
Fair enough.
But this is a, you know, city park level.
After swinging, we jammed out with my uncles for a few more hours, took a photo shoot with Grandma, and got back on the road. Before we left town, we refueled and made a quick stop for coffee.
What did you guys do today?
We were hanging out with his family today. So yeah, we've been on a 2-week road trip.
Oh wow, where's the road trip to?
Out to Colorado and then up through Utah and Idaho.
Wow,
And back here.
that's awesome.
Yeah, it's been really, really good.
Yeah, I
It is
love
really
road
good.
trips so
I
much.
know, same.
And
Well-
because I feel like you can see so much more when you're
Yes,
taking a road trip.
100%. Yeah, for sure.
Got the footage to prove it.
I know. That's the truth. Awesome. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you guys enjoy your last little trip.
Yes, we will. Have a good
Thank
one.
you.
Bye.
Starting route to home. In 2.6 miles, turn left to merge onto I-5 North.
Good old Moab.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.